Hello everyone, you're welcome. Here in this video I'm showing you how to copy your wallet address on Trust Wallet. So let's get started. Before you can copy your wallet address on Trust Wallet, you have to be sure that the token is added in the Trust Wallet. Okay, now here are the various tokens we have in our Trust Wallet. All these are the various tokens we have in our Trust Wallet. Alright, so I'm going to copy any wallet address here. So for you to copy any wallet address, just click on any of the assets. You can click on, let's say, BNB. You can click on that. Now you click on receive. Click on receive. Now you can either decide to copy either the QR code or the address. Now this is the QR code and this is the address. So you can decide to copy the address or any of these. Okay, so if you want to copy it, you can either highlight it or just come over here and copy this. All right, so when you copy it, you can see that it has showed copied. You can see that it has showed copied. Okay, so that's how you copy your wallet address. If you find this video very useful, kindly share and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on your bell button so that you don't miss out on our next video. Bye for now.